Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I deleted all of it because my old channel name used to be called I forgot. Wait, it was Lazy Ninja Sport, and everybody kept on taking it, so I used Wolf Nation Huge. And I deleted every video because I didn't want to start over from like 0 subscribers. But I still have 2 subscribers on Dion Pro OMG. That's my old account, and it's let me show you where it is. It's right here. You can see it on the feature channels. Oh yeah, that's Dion Pro OMG, which used to be my old channel, but I forgot the password to it. I forgot the password to my email address, so I made a new channel called Wolf Nation Huge. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, this is gonna be my introduction because people might not know what happened to my channel, so this is why I wanted to make an introduction. So bye. See ya. Pika.